Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, in this video, I'm going to talk about the new TWTR plan, my thoughts, my reasons for this plan, and how to become a serious follower on power group trades. All right, so Twitter is set up to test 27 to 28. The February 15, 25 calls could be used. That's right, people. So Twitter needs to, I will explain inside the video the facts. So one thing about Twitter is that it's not being the most reliable setup. However, what I want to mention is that it has the best time frame alignment now, and it's also been proven for multiple months than its history of the stock being traded. So we have great time frame alignment, a lot of great bullish signals I am seeing, especially today. Now, I actually had an entry point, a pivotal point that I didn't get into, but Mez did. Power Trigger Trade Mez did. Somebody who's working with me right now, and his name is Power Trigger Trade Mez. He actually got in here at the pivotal point. I did not bother with this. I was doing other things, and he got in at the 23.5 mark, pivotal point that we discussed, and he's making money now. At the same time, this trade is still there. The potential for this to have a run up into earnings to 27 to 28 now is very good. Now, last time we failed to confirm here, okay? We did not confirm. We had the pullback. Then we have the reversal pivot, and it confirmed the reversal pivot. And now the next step is this, simply is this, in my opinion. This is a very bullish setup, okay? High odds that this will do well or be able to produce profits at least on the low end. Because of the situation, volume patterns in here is just the dynamics are in favor for Twitter to go higher and test the 27, 28 area. Could even do better. Okay, but with these 25 calls, you can see there was 20.5K. Now that's not the only reason why. Just because there's a lot of call buying, the reason why that we're going long Twitter, it's the setup in general, the big picture thinking here, people. High odds. Okay, nothing's 100%, but very high odds. And simply this getting above 24.75 would be the signal for entry in Twitter. All right, people. So here I am on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter, and we're gonna go to the YouTube channel. But first, I want to show you that how do you become a serious follower? Simple. It's pretty simple. You gotta have a profile pic. Okay, now it could be of success, something to do with to see. This is my profile pic. I had a picture of me, but I changed it to the new logo that I have, Power Trigger Trade logo here. And you need to have sort of a, it could be of success, of stock, of yourself. You want to have a reasonable logo. All right. Second of all, you want to be doing retweets and likes every day. As a serious follower, you're retweeting and liking every day. So you look for them. On anything, retweet, like, especially winning plans, right? Retweet, like, you follow. It literally takes, now I've been doing a lot of posting, but really sometimes most of the person, to do a retweets and likes would take a person a couple of minutes a day. Retweet, like, you follow, retweet. That's what a serious, I'm going to get, okay, just keep that in mind. So that's what you do, retweets and likes, daily basis. If you want to be if you're a serious follower, if you're not a serious follower, and you gotta send me a request when you do that. Now, to get a fast track in here, just do 20 of them, 20 retweets and likes, to get a fast track into Power Group Trades. But to maintain the membership of Power Group Trades, that is all that is required. Simply do retweets and likes, and of course, extra things will be doing like comments here and there. But the bare minimum, retweet, like, follow, retweet, like, daily basis on whatever I post. It's that simple. Literally 2 minutes is the most it would take to do that. Okay. And I have a lot, as you can see, I have these retweets and likes being done. Not only that, you have to take and consider a lot of my serious followers have sent me money on free will. I have nothing set up. You have to actually do it by asking me, and then I tell you what to do, and there's no official link or any sort. There's nothing that I am not set up even for that, but people are willing to send me dollar bills because of how I've helped them. So something to think about. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. Listen, people, see this Facebook? You gotta listen. These are called what I call. This is gonna be put on my created playlist. But look at this: Facebook, Amazon. You should see big option gains in Tesla, FedEx, you name it. What I did in this created playlist has never been done before in the history of the market. There's nobody that shows you the detailed process from before the fact, confirmation, and after the fact. Everybody does these yo-yo spreadsheets and stuff that usually most people won't even bother to take a look at. My videos show you an eye-opening fact, and not only that, nobody in the history has received out of free will money, okay, for for the help that I've been doing, because I've been doing this for free, better than services. And people are really appreciating it. And that I'm trying to build. And this community of Power Group Trades is a new special community I'm building. Power Group Trades. So you type it into the symbol, into Twitter, Power Group Trades, and that's how you'll find out. Everything that I'm telling you to do, you should really take me up on. Study this Facebook video. Study this Amazon video. Study the videos in my created playlist. Right. Take a look at my live streams, and also you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You know why I do live streams, and you want to be able to communicate with me one-on-one when I get to those points. There's been so many things happening here for Power Group Trades, for Power Trigger Trades, so much growth and amazing things, and people getting involved, unlike anything else in history, people. It's born out of a whole new dynamic that I'm creating. And I'm going to shake the very foundations of the investment community. Power Trigger Trade will be a name to be feared of how I helped all different size accounts, small to large, in a way never done before, from people willing to want me to grow it to another level. So subscribe, become part of history. Become part of the Power Group Trades. When you are doing the retweets and likes, you are helping other people. You are sharing the power of goodness of what I do. And my followers appreciate it. They've sent me money out of free will, people. You have to understand that is something never done before. And I mean never. I'm going to show you. So if you don't have a YouTube account, subscribe, get one, then come and subscribe manually. If you have one already, inside this video, I'm going to show you an easy way. You're going to see a picture of me, and you're going to hear me talk now. You're going to see me talk now in a video format, one-on-one with you. Again, no one's done videos formats like this with intro screens and one-on-one. No one's done. You want to become a serious follower. You want to follow me on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter, and you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You want to get involved with Power Trigger Trade, people. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade here with a great reminder. I always tell people, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also make sure to watch this created playlist. My created playlist, you'll find it bottom of the page of the YouTube channel. A wealth of great information, people. And if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one and subscribe manually. But if you have one, I'm going to show you easily to subscribe right inside this video. People, we've been making amazing, great, detailed plans. You want to study and also come to my live streams that I try to do mostly on Wednesday. And any other time I announce it. That's why you want to subscribe to, you want to follow me on Twitter. And you want to find out how to become a serious follower on Power Group Trades. But it's important. People, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!